Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Liquid Ocelot, and today I'm going to show you how to compare YouTube analytics data for two separate days. So guys, I'm on my analytics page. The first step is what I'm going to do is separate two days over here under custom, and choose the first day as 22nd because I have data for 22nd of October 2020 and 23rd of October 2020. So I'm going to click apply. Now what I'm going to do, my friends, is simple. Going to click see more to go to the advanced data. You see, as I selected from date 22nd to 23rd, you must see this, my friends. Now what I'm going to do, my friends, is go to traffic source, my favorite analytics data, and go to YouTube search. Now my friends, please look at it carefully. I'm going to choose 23rd, click apply. This shows the data for 23rd, my friends, YouTube search data, all the keywords that are looking for my content, and you can see all of these. Now what I'm going to do, my friends, at the top right hand side I have option compare to. I'm going to click it, and then I'm going to choose period over period, compare the selected period to the preceding period. I'm going to click on this, and you can see, my friends, these two days are compared. Data, traffic source, YouTube search, traffic source, YouTube search. You can see I checked the top 10 over here. How to delete Call of Duty Mobile, how to delete, they are matching up. So for the 22nd and 23rd, so I have to check it like this, here first and then here, or BlueStacks Fortnite, Princess Ash. This is how you compare it, my friends. So now let's see for traffic sources, external traffic sources, which I'm really struggling at, my friends. Especially on the 23rd I really struggled, and this is it, my friends. Google search, 53 views, 63 views from Google search. Reddit 9 views. Well, I'm struggling always over here. YouTube, from YouTube, the 22nd I got 11 views, 9 gig. It's failure for me. And then comes Pinterest, Gmail 1 view, and all these websites. I'm glad that there are no blacklisted websites over here, to be honest with you, because things are really looking bad for me, my friends. However, at least I have the data, my friends, and I can improve upon it. So I hope you learned how to compare YouTube analytics data for two separate days. Thanks for watching, my friends. I'll be signing off.